Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase in Tangipahoa Parish. We're over in Hammond. The property's been vacant for a fair while and is not in great condition, so definitely not ready for a homeowner to buy. So we're looking at this to potentially buy for cash as is for a new flip. I'll show you around. So yeah, it's sat for a while. You can see it's obviously getting a bit of water through from the roof. Kitchen needs to be totally redone. A little bit of mold down here it seems to be. Yeah, definitely mold. Quite a bit in the back here. I did look from outside. Some of the wood at the back is rotten, so you obviously got water coming through that way. It obviously needs a bit of work. Looks like the spiders have moved in. I wonder if they're paying rent. I don't know if you can see with this light, but there's obviously water been coming through here. There's mold and this is the windowsill's just completely rotted away. So obviously this one needs to be replaced. Bathroom needs to be redone. It needs a full remodel. You can see, yeah. So really, this house needs a full remodel. Obviously, it's not something that's ready to be listed to a homeowner. It's not something that a bank's really going to lend money on in this condition. So these sort of properties that we're happy to buy, we pay cash and we buy as is. So we make it really easy for you to sell a property in this condition. We always make sure it's a win-win situation. So we're really easy to work with. Since we don't need bank financing, we can close really fast. We don't need to get appraisals and bank inspections. So we can generally close, within 2 weeks' time. You get paid and can move on from the property. This then becomes a project. We don't mind, applying our network, our skills, our expertise, or our money to fix up a property like this and get it ready for a nice homeowner to enjoy. There really is no point in sitting here. As you all probably know, in Louisiana, houses don't sit very well vacant. You get termites, you get water, you get squatters, lots of things happen and they just tend to deteriorate and go down in value. So, if you have a house like this and you want to fix it up and sell it, that should be your first option. But if you don't want to put the money or time into doing it, don't sit on it, just sell it to someone who will do that, and that's a way better thing.